Business. It's like a sandwich. With the right ingredients, you can make something amazing. You know, peanut butter and jelly. Two things that don't really go together, but oddly, they somehow do. And you know what? It's simple. Jif, my favorite kind of peanut butter. This is the stuff I grew up on. My wife hates it because she says it's just pure sugar, but I love it. But it's very simple, peanut butter and jelly. It tastes good, everybody loves it, and really, you don't need much to it. But when you start getting creative in business, it's like putting ingredients together that don't just not go together, but are just truly disgusting. And this is something that I learned early on in business as I try to grow my business from the ground up, is like, I can be more creative, I can gain more customers if only I just add more ingredients. And so I just started over-hiring lots of people, the wrong people, too many people, underqualified people, and it sucked. You know, even though those individual people were good, they just weren't good for my business. And it was almost like adding sour cream to a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And stuff kind of just started getting icky. Disgusting, right? I don't know. Maybe there are some people out there that love peanut butter, jelly, and sour cream. But you know what? I started doing the wrong marketing, engaged the wrong marketing campaign, and I was like, hey, let's add some mustard to this sandwich, because we can be more creative, we can reach more customers, we can hire more people. And so I just went all out, just started hiring and started marketing and started doing all the wrong things. I always say simplicity is best because when it's simple, people understand it. And so the wrong marketing campaigns just started making things really confusing and honestly more disgusting. And as time went on, I was starting to realize my profit margins were starting to go down during this season. Now, although my business almost tanked, I was able to come back, but not right away, because I was like, hey, if we can try a different marketing strategy and hire more people who I think were maybe overqualified, we could do better, scale higher, and do all things that we want to do. And I ended up hiring people that were really good, but just together were terrible. Have you ever seen that movie Miracle? The coach is trying to pick a team for the Olympics for hockey, and he's eliminating all the wrong players. And one guy saying, bro, why are you eliminating all these really great players? You just eliminated all the top performing players. And he said, I don't want the best players, I want the right players. And so when you're hiring and you're doing the marketing campaigns and you're buying the equipment for your truck, you don't want just more, you don't want the best, you want the right. And so that's basically where I went wrong in my first years of business. I overhired, I overmarketed, and I bought more equipment than was necessary, thinking that more always equals better. And it came to show that more doesn't equal better. More sometimes, oftentimes, most times equals disgusting and failure. So keep business simple. This smells terrible, by the way. And if you're thinking, hey, I'm waiting for this guy to eat this sandwich, you're crazy, because there's no way that I'm gonna eat this. So here's what I wanna say to you. Don't overthink business. Think simple, think small, and as you get really good at the small things, start scaling slowly. I don't want you to overscale because it's gonna come back and bite you in the butt. And that's where I went wrong, and it sucked.